ye koto aba ama ye daachi ye koto aba ahwesenia ye daachi ebeko ama ye ene ye nuano mo aka na embe bi no ade baako a edai sinise eyana empenimfo ni bia omo ba ye nim se ye to amba mo mo omo yo ma din so mo de se ye to amba mo mo a entuma ye fe na dwuma pa no omo ye bida na de omo ye nyina ne se abato omre ne so na se ye besre se enkoto aba na ya ba ye ya omo nim se emra ebribi chemu na ye di o man ni se o nsa so mo be di ye nim na ye susa na esa ne se ye suso nti dia omo ye ti ayan dia omo ye ti ayan daachi dia omo ye ti ayan man no eya na omo nim se ye so nti ye kai enti 2024 abato ayan kwakoto yi NDC fu ayan ni omo kwakoto aba no dia omo kan nyina ne se 8 years ago our leader former President Mahama enya kwan ebe yo mampeni no almost say na ye agency for no na ye susa na ye di 8 years and 10 years enti akania no mudu no for 4 years no almost say ye refi almost say ye nua no na omudi ye nim na no ma wi junior high school almost so secondary school afibia omuja 100,000 enti de fie no almost say ye ni yesu so enti ye hu enti ye kai almost say embra omu pie omo no eka kire ka na fo nyina se ogresika oni be ma me ene wo ene ye ya ye ni bi ye betumi dia ko school free no amfa sa asika no endi se djuma no di omu ka ne se ene ye refi esa ne se ne yesu NDC for any Swadish Union say, almost come into these elections with the background information said, yeah, and then yeah, opportunity. Near to me not buying a boy, Nanka Ampo, Akayaba Castle Latte, Yabeka Mambo say, Yabeka said that your mind, Yabeka said Soya, but a son MPP. Nana Danko Kufodo, any Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Akwai amufas to man akwai ama yesu yetu bi bie omo se ye refi esa ne se na ye den na yesu membi sa masebi anabia mu refi se mrebi na kola bebre katire fi omo to bi ko school na mu refi se ma me no ene ye papa no etuma se esa ne dum so na mu refi se enuma esaye ema ye maame no enuma eguye mu refi ana mama ye nyina ka ye homom se over 18 years what it means is that embra papa no be ye mampeni no na we 10 years na se we humpa o maame be ka kire se one timpa and then o papa be ka kire na the good news is that and then ye mu bebre ye no opportunity ye to media course school enti ye hu na ya test amre no kra ena ye betumi akenkan na ya kasa so ye hu dia esiye wambra onya sa kwan nyame adaroma new patriotic party adaroma ene wale fu adaroma nti ena obama ye penia owo abadaye ema ye emrantie ne mmabawa Mama ye penia ene odwe ehiafo ho na sa wo kohwa akole bia when we school when all works e wo BC na wa kat na fie e wo timba kwanda na otumi nya kwan emba school a wo koto aba na wo be hwe sa akona ho na do to aba ma na tama no ba wo wonu ye bi na wonim se esa ne se bi ni fie nti to me nyasa awodino empo emfa tuaso enko university in Koscielny Open Lona aban say Answer na ubenya loan no. This is ukonya garanta. Ema sa garanta no sign them out. Garanta no so be sign them out. Eso ye teacher ni. Eso your doctor. Eso your bia or ye abayi eduma. The question is, what enemy ye ya ye fie ye ni obia or what sa ehoma no on to me sign them my. Etina they are cutting fee. And then Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, ama yakonya, ama wunuano, and one can so, who be school no, now we need garanta now, or for Ghana Canada, no one could know, now they are calling university, now it's what we do. Kurudu, Mama Yacha Mahama said, you were 2024. Yeniate, Yadrimu Dog, Yesia Noma Bebre, it's year 2 about 2024, am I a Dutch? Now, me, and a war, and Kwa, and to me, it's a free and equal, the Oko and I'll call dormitory, and I'll call hall, and I'll call class. Now, when we appear our voter ID card, how are you ready? Say about 2024. Kai said, year 2 about my Dutch. Near to Obama Henry and Moa, over the HO. Yet to Abba Ebisida. Never enters the 4 years show. Nadachi be, Omina Wopine, ever do my name, Yama, or my Yama, ever quiet. Media, the Chitty said, Menawo, Yadachi, Nipa, or to me a sum, no power by a maye. Now Yeni, and the second Niba, and you know, and to me a call and in Prakopano, and the Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, with a massive I'm Bonsoir, comment Choboy. Et puis après une fois, moi, il y a un moment, mon NDC Force, MPP, Abaya Mabaduma. Na answer na women free training college to when share a juma MPP Iowa training college MPP and I can say this one a 6-story. Woman didn't run from. A 6-story. Bibia library, academic halls, you now won't be a hard training college education. Yes, 4-story laboratory at the Amman School. Asasi way, yes, 300 capacity hostel at the Amman Training College way. Asasi way, you have 2 kilometer internal roads. Asasi way, you have asphalt at the Amman. Asasi way, you have to be administration block. And you have 46 college of education free now. Now you know what now. People somewhere you want to know. Sanitary. Now, and then Ghana. Over agri sector. Your sisters in your agriculture, Ghana, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and then agri. Some person will hear for Ghana. Who call Ghana Agriculture and Agribusiness Platform to register. So we register. But be a will be a new event memo assassin. The more assassin in here. You have a more fertilizer. You have a more seed. You have a more machine. Now they are here for. Many workers say, I will Ghana.
500,000 and I register somewhere here for. So I pay 500,000 so we are trying to start to supply of beer with fertilizer. I didn't see that. How are you about to say? I didn't see that. Now it's still reaching. It's still reaching. As soon as I saw, see a because of me, I had to make any abuwa without you. The because of I had to make any abuwa without you. Never say a two abandoned the Dindi bar. A year a Juma Kesiapa, and the man Dr. Muhammad Baumia, and the senior couple, Sami Awuku, Naba Parliament, Nova Tuatumariso. The Americans are some here a Juma, Dr. Muhammad Mia, and yes, in the use of Ayama and Rantia. A boy in Nayadachi. Now, who buy Yapim Hadia, Dr. Muhammad Baumia, what in the red marriage. Election 2012, and a deliver in Syria in the MPP. Election 2016, and a new topic and a deliver in Syria in the MPP. Election 2020, and a yellow couple and a deliver in Syria in the MPP. Election 2024, and a Piapin never deliver in Syria in the MPP. You register 1.8 billion Ghanaians. This is reaching 1.8 billion. Yet Germany, as I say, a Piapim and a 80 and if ever is still reaching it, you know. You have Germany said, but my 65% of the vote. A Piapim. Money is still reaching a limb. Number my 65% of the vote. Now a Juma MPP are buying no iron. I'm not met to us. Now me can walk out. Because can what you want. Election I have a column. Mamma Mohu. Mamma will be here now. Mamma will be here to listen to MSC will be. And this is for Pearl, Amun Pearl, MPP will win 2024. Election never follow. Abba any ever to know. Kwambia MPP never faso ne win election 2024 no. Never faso. Kwambia also never faso. MPP is a political party. You present you win the election and I'm going. Eti a Kwambia never faso you win 2024 abano. MPP never faso. to assure the people of Eastern region, I want to assure Ghanaians, we have the men. We have the men. We will win and protect the ballot. We have the men. We will win equally, fairly, and squarely and protect the ballot. We have the men. We have the men. We have the men. Now MPP, Antoine Juma Paso, Madam Asinago Pasha, we have the men. Patriotic Party, Commander Salam Mustafa is here to speak with us. Choboi, 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 Choboi. Is the reason? Ekwapin love, Edamasi, pa. Indeed, much less area, Efrefi, the east, and by the grace of God, Ikunimdiano, as the star rises from the east, so shall the MPP victory come from. Choboi, Ibabe Shamubo, 2020, Ekwapin North, you have 55% of the votes. Choboi, is not good enough. Yenia Kapo, Nina Bako, our parliament already. Bako, NAC, his problem is not winning. After the winning, it has happened already. Choboi, Nia Yashushano, any percentage. Mutieme, Messi, Nia Yashushano, any percentage. Na Mibabe Shamubo, Ekwapin North, Samuma Kapo, 80% of the votes, the National Youth Organizer, Mebaha, Abel, hold the press conference and declare the results for the new Patriotic Party. Choboi, Mutiani Dio, Messi, Ekwapin North, Yatua Bani Rie, Naya Kai, Namuma Kapo, 80% of the vote. Meba Ekwapin North, Naba Baye press conference, Cassia, Nama declare results and the new Patriotic Party. Ma declare, sir, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the next president of Ghana, and Samuel Ogu, the member of Parliament of Ghana. Now, we are, now you know, yes, so now the energy in some buckets here, and we shall rise and sing to the glory of God and to our party. Choboi, about what you no one should be scared. Nobody. All we need from you, hear from Uchai, and one is a Mukoto Abano, Niakano, Yabamo, who protect every single ballot. That one I can assure you. Me, your National Youth Organizer, if I have to drop the last blood in me to ensure the new Patriotic Party wins, I will do it. Choboi, it is because we want to vote for a good president. We want to vote for a good leader. There's difference between the two front runners in this election, Dr. Mumia and John Dramani Mahama. Choboi, John Dramani Mahama is corrupt. He's corrupt. That's why we call him John the Corrupt Mahama. He has been president before. He has been tried and tested before and he failed. Let's vote for a new president. A new president. Someone with ideas. Someone with a vision. Someone who is a thinker. Whose brains are working properly. Somebody who means well. Somebody who is kind. Someone who is brilliant. Someone who is generous. And I can tell you, we need Dr. Mahmoud Ayetumache. I can put myself in the fire for him and tell you that he is a good man and a better leader for this country. Choboy, young people, election way, young and a decided, we are over winning. If we say, 68% of the voters register, young and a dozen. And in December 7th, there is a critical decision to be made, and I don't want anyone to make a mistake. Any vote that goes to the NDC is an endorsement of corruption, is an endorsement of failure, is an endorsement of going backwards. That is what I'm inviting you, that say you're not going in man, say your future, may your brighter. There's only one option in this election, and that is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Na Yatuma Bawumia, na Yatuma MPP, parliamentary candidates in Ekakai Ekwabi North, the couple, the Supremo, the youth icon. Inshallah, you'll be the next parliament of Ekwabi North. With the Munirasi,
Parliament for the good people of Ekwabi North. Honorable Samuel Pansabra Ewuku.
Dr. Bawumia vote no. Bawumia vote no. Bawumia vote no. Sami vote no. I say, ready, one me bisika, one me tia kuma. Dr. Bawumia, one me tia kuma, and one me bisika. DJ, Fasani Nishewu Asana. Mayday elections is an election between the kingdom of God and the kingdom of darkness. My obia many real feet, baby I feet and the baby I do. A Greek minister Akeki from Haiti yet in Zen. NDC 4 year one walk. Nipa 62 and echo walk. 62. Watching the deepest sea the long walk to victory for this constituency in Ghana. We have started from the Gabon North constituency. The only constituency there were 8 senior high schools. And son, there were 2 special needs schools. There was school for the deaf, there was school for the blind. The only constituency Yeno Yebuade Nansu Yisradi. Papa Midinechi, Dr. Baumia, na Meka Bibika Grafano, made the money made it down. Made the money made it down. And today I'm afraid I'm going into details. Well, Tia's name in a Sawara, to my local doctor myself. This is a man that I asked him just one question. And son, a man, Oracle presidential primary, he has a midnight. Besides, said, what motivates him to run for the office of president? Was saying it's about the people. Was saying it's not about us, but about the people. And creating opportunities for all manner of people. This is a man or a patron for lepers in Ghana. Before I die, of course, school for the blind to donate items to them, white canes, laptops to teachers, and to commission a lab for them. Or therefore they are in teacher. Into doctor vote no yeah French teacher for. Back when they didn't down. Oba Obeti Ahuma. Oba so be disika. Now this is a man with a vision for the future. He believes that in spite of our challenges, there is hope. And yes, so would you be actually not only any that's wrong, and also only vision and dangerous. This is a man that one mayor president. The addition has made by delivery, yet the steer. Now, only a panina now Ushenisu Sana or Dim Performan and home Sana Otieli person, and for all manner of people, he gives you hope. And he's a strong man. The difference between Dr. Baumia and his opponent is that Dr. Baumia belongs to the future and the opponent belongs to the past. Election a vote for the NDC candidate a retirement vote. Because President Mahama the only politician in Ghana where the assemblyman, where the member of parliament, deputy minister, minister, vice president, president, former president, and then as a Ghana boy for 38 years with the Untia line bill, water bill, now why did you alone be Ghanaian? So basically, when you listen to the depth of the policies of Dr. Bawumia Adeba, now they compare and the media and Tasu. Aside that, his policies are targeting the youth, creating an opportunity for all. I am here for one simple mission. Abatona Edayemino, and my young family said a normal vote. Elections were Abatu was so and Abatu was Susu. Susuma after Abatu actually said, Ubetini Ayawadri, so Otwama Dr. Bawumia. When I was on Muakoshia Busueli, or say, oh, young Patana. Niencha two talks, Castorento, Herbadingo, Ubeyeno, now vote no, na akoi bibewo. Abato Susan Susan so I can't be say, Oto Abapa, and in Puntu Sosoba. Dr. Bawumia comes before you today, not for his own self, but for the future of the young people of Ghana. And then because of him, the charcoal seller's son can dream of wearing a white shirt. And I want to tell them, put me in the phone, I am in now, Chroma says so the school are winning robotics competition in the world is from this municipality. And so we have a lot to offer. And I believe that a vote for this strong man who has a passion to deliver and a determination to achieve. Now, Simon noticed 2 lines when I'm in Fefim, way on the Tiamuma and a way on the Disika. And nothing I mean, yes, Dr. Bawumia vote to know. And then, yeah, I tell them our votes alone cannot make him president. That's the truth. We will need each and every one of you. Obia the welfare fee. The last elections, you have 55% of the parliamentary and 72% of the presidential. This year, Memenemo presidential only 85 to 90%. Now parliamentary, what did Dr. Akon? Now must put the link cookie. It's said maybe also the general a whole on the But let me also conclude with this. We will not be intimidated in this election. NDC in the month of March said they were winning by 57%. In May, they said they were winning by 52%. There's a between March and May, 5%, a few more calculations. Now we are in August, so you do the calculation from there. I can tell you we are winning this election on our strategy and on our terms. Now this election, there will be no demilitarized zone. It's either you belong to the God side and answer, oh, kingdom of darkness side. If you join the Lord side, near Jumanisumo. Now, and for those watching us on the big screen outside, what demonstrated Dr. Manu Bawumia said, "Oh, fear and fear." So, Doctor, you are welcome to be at home. de yɛn vote no yɛn fa kyekyɛ meda mo nyinaa ase.